everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Thank you for being part of this family. As you can see, I have early inserts: Unilever, Smartsource, and Save. We're going to start with Unilever. It says save over $65. Let's see. We have a 5 off 1 Nexus product, $3 on 2 Tresemme 28 ounce or 39 ounce shampoo or conditioning product. We have $3 off 2 Tresemme Professional Collection shampoo and conditioning products. We also have $1.50 off 1 Axe hair product. I also have a buy any Axe deodorant, body spray, or body wash and get a free spray up to $8. We also have save $2 on 1 Axe Fresh Collection product. Good insert coupon right here. You can pair that up with Fetch, Ibotta, probably even Swag Bucks, not quite sure. Next is $3 off of 2 Dove hair care products. The next one is a buy one get one free Dove hand wash product and get another one free. When you buy 1 hand sanitizer, you also get another one free. The max value for the sanitizers are $4.99 as well. $4.49 for the hand wash. Save $1 on any 1 body wash for Dove. Save $3 on any 1 Dove Body Love body cleanser product. $3 on any 1 Dove Body Love pre-cleanse shower butter product. On the next page, we have $1 off 1 Suave Professionals shampoo or conditioner from Pink, Green, or Gold series. 50 cents on any 1 Suave antiperspirant or deodorant product. $1 off any 1 Suave Kids hair product. We have $5 off of 2 Shea Moisture products. We also have $2 on 1 Dove Men Care hair care product. Then down here we have a buy one get one free. Buy any 1 Dove Men Care body wash product, 13.5 ounces or larger, and get an antiperspirant product free, up to $7.99. The last page here, we have some Dollar Shave Club products. $5 when you buy, save $5 when you buy any 1 Dollar Shave Club razor starter set and any 1 razor blade refill 4 count or larger. $3.50 off of 1 Dollar Shave Club product. And that is all we have for the Unilever. Next, we're getting into the Smartsource. Front page, we have $2 off of 1 Cetaphil product. It has some exclusions. $3 on 1 Cetaphil Gentle Clear Healthy Radiance Healing Ointment, Cracked Skin Repair Balm or Lotion, Daily Smoothing Moisturizer, or Gentle Relief Body Wash product. Here we have save $6 on 2 Cetaphil products, and it has exclusions. Next is Covergirl. First is $3 off 1 face product, $3 off 1 eye product, $3 off 1 Covergirl Clean and Beauty skincare product, $3 off 1 Covergirl Simply Ageless product. Next, we have a $10 off 1 Allegra 24-hour 70 count or 90 count tablets or the 60 count gel caps. Next, $5 off 1 Allegra Allergy 24-hour count or larger. $4 off 1 Children's Allegra or Allegra Allergy 12-hour product. Following, 1 week only, $8 off of any 1 Allegra D 12-hour or 24-hour product, 15 count or more. Allegra D, $5 off 1 12-hour or 24-hour. We have $4 off 1 Unisom, which is a 2-week only coupon, as well as the $2 off 1 Unisom product, 15 count or larger. We have $10 off 1 Zysol 80 count product, $5 off any 1 Zysol 35 count, 55 count or kids product. $10 off any 1 Nasal Quart 240 spray, 1 week only. $5 off one nasal cord spray, 120 spray. Next, we have $3 off any one 30-count or larger Docalax, $1.50 off one Docalax product, Docalax, $1.25 off one ACT product. Next page, $1.25 off of one Cortisone 10 product. Next, we have $1.50 off any one Gold Bond body or foot product. That includes creams also. Next, we have $3 off any one TheraTears. The bottom is advertisement. The next page is 50 cents off of one bundle pack of 3 boxes or more of the Kleenex facial tissue. $1 off one Cottonelle toilet paper, 4 mega roll pack or larger. Next, we have $2 off any 2 U by Kotex pads or liners, 14 to 22 count is not included. $2 off of 2 packages of U by Kotex tampons. Haven't seen that one in a while, and I am going to go crazy for it. Next, as usual, we have the free warmer up to $1.99, and that is by Airwick. The next page is advertising checkout 51. Today is Thursday. Go on checkout 51, collect your freebie. Most of the times it's a video that they show and you get some sense. Next is $2 off one box of Clairol and $5 off 2 boxes. And that is all I have for the Smartsource. Now we are going to look at Save. Save is very thin, so this one should go by very quickly. $8 off of any one Moderna product, $7 off of any one Moderna Advanced, $5 off of one Compeed 12 count or 9 count, $4 off of one Compeed 10 count or 8 count. Next, we have $4 off of any 2 Aquaphor Itch Relief Ointment or Aquaphor Children's Itch Ointment. $2 off of one Aquaphor Itch Relief Ointment or Aquaphor Children's Relief Ointment. Next, we have Nature's Truth, I believe this is. Yes, Nature's Truth Vitamin or Supplement, $3 off 2, and $1 off one Nature's Truth Vitamin or Supplement. Next page, $1.50 off any Biotine, $5 off of any one Flonase 60 count or larger Sensimist, and $10 off one Flonase or Flonase Sensimist 120 count or larger. Skipping a page. Next, we have $5 off one Nexium 24-hour 28 or 42 count, $2 off any Nexium 24-hour product, $3.50 off of Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel 50 grams or 100 grams, $5 off of any 150 gram Voltaren Arthritis Pain Gel or larger. Advertisement. Family Dollar. That is a good price. A lot of back to school items. We are getting ready to go back to school. Everyone should already be stocking up on all of their back to school supplies for their children. All of mine are grown and gone. Everything is online now. They haven't been into a college class since COVID. So they don't need much of anything. I do shop for my grandchildren, 2 boys. Save $4 on one AccuView Revita Lens Contact Lens Solution 10 ounce. Save $6 on any one AccuView Revita Lens Contact Lens Solution 20 ounce. $3 on any one Blink Contact or Blinking Clean Drops. $3 off any one Blink Tears, ½ ounce or 1 ounce. Blink Tears preservative free, gel tears or triple care. All right, everyone, that is all I have for you today on insert videos. Please make sure to check out my CVS freebie video once it has posted. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.